Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show how you can create a booking site using Wix.com. If you are starting from scratch, let us see. First you have to log in or sign up to Wix.com. Then you have to select this button, create a uh, create a site. I will show you a step-by-step method. So watch till end. Then we can add the service. I am creating a consultant blog type of service. Do next. We can add our name, that is like tech guy. I am naming my business as tech guy. Do next. Then you have, this is the main thing you have to add. Okay, to here you have to click on this button, bookings. Then you have to click like all things that you want. I'm going on forums and groups, and I can add as Instagram feed also, but I'm not adding. That is at forums also, and the chat also. Next, do next. Here is coming to design through template, or you can build a custom site. Let us go through template. When we click template, it will load. Here is some template coming. We can select anything that we want. Let us take this side. This is looking good for our booking site. We can wait for a minute to load this site. So as you see, our site is ready. Then we have to edit our site. Here is coming like this. To edit our bookings, you have to click on this button, pages and menu. You can just click on this button, booking page. You have to click all buttons one by one. Let's click on this book online button. As we can see, we are redirected to here. Here are coming like 3 categories. Wait, it's coming. You can go next to this booking page, go to book online. Then you can see here is coming like 3 categories and a call now button also. You can just edit. To edit this, you have to right click here, and then you have to click on this manage service. When we click this, a new dashboard will open. I am choosing this brand positioning analysis. You can select your, then you can choose a service type. I am choosing appointment. Then name I can choose anything I want, like I am choosing here sample. You can change also here images. To change image, you can just click on edit image, and no, do not edit. You have to remove the image first and click on this plus button, or then you have to add which type of image you want to add. I am anything, right? I am writing class. You can just search class, or you can upload your media through this button. I am adding this. Simply click on add to page. You can write your tagline, description, duration how much you want. You can add a custom duration also, or you can add this buffer time. Okay, let us add a 1 hour session, 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes session. You can take charges for it. Like you can select this per session plan. You can take for free. You can charge the fixed price or varied price between this to this, like adults this you can add. I am selecting the fixed price. I'm choosing like here like 100 rupees for per class. You can add here, if in your country the other currency is there, it will come. In my country it's rupee, so you can you can select like payment preference here. You can add this membership plan also. You have to edit and connect, then create a new plan. You can add here a location also. You can add here a video conferencing account by clicking this. You have to link your Zoom. You have to add to continue. You will be redirected to your Zoom site. As you can see, you can connect. I am not connecting now. You can just connect this your account. I'm not connecting now. You can connect if you want to connect. As you can see, this is like one staff number 1. You can rename as teacher 1 or anything that you want. Just save it. Here's teacher 1. You can add a cover page. You buy this. You can add to your media or you can search online, and you can edit the additional settings also. Then at last, like I have not saved it, reset. Let's do one more time. Here you write class, search, then to add this page, then you have to save it. Okay, you have to write just save. Your service has been successfully added. To see on your website, you have to upgrade your plan. It cannot be accessed to free. If you want to upgrade, just click on this button, upgrade. Then you have to select the plan, whichever plan you want. In e-commerce and business, you can select your favorable plan. I am not selecting here because I am not paying, I am just showing. Then you have to cross this button. Then you have to go back to your main site. You can go back. You can add service 2 also. You can just go to sites. You click here, site. Stay on this. I'm going without saving. Just you have to edit this. Editor is opening. Let us wait. Just you can go to this option. Then you have to select Wix booking. Then online booking. Book online. As you can see, it is coming. Our services here, it's there. Sample 1 hour 100 rupee. You can book now by selecting this. So you can do this, but you have to show it, but you want to show it live to a site, you have to buy a premium of Wix. If you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching.